Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to stop Google collecting and using your data on Samsung phones. So to do that on your phone, just go to settings and here tap on security and privacy, go down and tap on more privacy settings, and here if you go down again we have ads. From here you can manage the info, use it to show you ads and measure ad performance. Now to do that, just go to ad privacy, and here we have ad topics, ad suggested ads and ad measurement. Now if you go to the first one, from here you can block topics you don't want shared with apps. Just tap here to turn off. The second one, from here you can block apps for making suggestions. Again, tap here to turn it off. And the third one is add measurement, and turn it off from here, and that's all. Now let's go back and again, and here we have usage and diagnostics. And from here you can stop your phone sending diagnostics and app usage data to Google. Just tap here, and that's all. So you can protect your phone from here. It's easy to do it. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.